Here is how to post pictures on Facebook. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and launch your Facebook or Facebook Lite application, whatever you want to use. But before that, go ahead and launch your Play Store or App Store according to your device, whether you're using your iPhone or your Android device. Then search for Facebook or Facebook Lite application, whatever is installed. Once you search for it, make sure that your Facebook application is up to date. So if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and select it. Go ahead and select update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. After that, you can click on open to simply open your Facebook application and then log into your specific account if you haven't already. And then select the plus icon from the top right corner of the screen that is beside the messenger icon. Now here you'll get several different options to go ahead and post it as your content, or you can also go ahead and post it on your story, reel, live, and leave a note. So let's go ahead and try posting a photo. Click on post. And in the top, you'll see options like music, people, location, feeling, and activity and event. These are the options you can go for. Like you can go ahead and select any music that you want to add on your post. You can also select the people and tag people if you want. Click on location and add a location. And you can also try adding how are you feeling or your activity. Likewise, you can go through other different options and select it according to your preference. Then in the bottom of the screen, you'll see the options of gallery. Go ahead and select it and select a photo that you want to post. From the bottom left corner of the screen, select your audience. Let's go ahead and set it to friends. Then click on done from the bottom. So wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to post on your Facebook. And if you refresh the page, you'll see the photo that you've just posted on Facebook. If not, you can also click on the three-line menu, go to your profile section, then scroll down and you'll see the photo that you just posted on your Facebook. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.